Hello everyone, this is Grant with Sump Alarm, and today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add a Sump Alarm Wi-Fi enabled device to your account. So to begin, you are going to need to be logged into your Sump Alarm account, and then once under the account tab here, we are going to click on add a new device underneath the registered devices tab, and a pop-up window is going to appear. To start, you are going to enter the short MAC address of your Wi-Fi enabled device. Now, this is stickered on the bottom of the enclosure next to the cord grip, and it will also be displayed in the Wi-Fi in the Sump Alarms network name. Now I am typing in a MAC address here. I'm going to click on the MAC address that pops up in the field beneath it, and you will notice that the serial number field is entered in. Now from this point on here, the device comes standard with unlimited email notifications. Now you can add the paid plan, which I'm going to do here in this video. This will allow you to get unlimited text and phone calls. Once you click on the text box here, a pop-up is going to appear, and you can select if you want to go through with the monthly plan, which is 99 cents a month, or $11.88 a year. In this case, I'm going to click on the yearly plan. I click OK, and then a pop-up appears, and it tells you that when you're done with the add a device process, you will be prompted to go to the cart. So next, if you wish, you could add a name for your Sump Alarm device. And then on the following page, you have the personal information tab. Now from here, you're going to enter in your first name, last name, your address. I'm going to enter this in and follow along with you guys. And then lastly, you are going to select if the device is indoors or outdoors. And then on the following page here, this is really the bread and butter here. This is the notification preference tab. So the first text box here says contact me if my unit does not report for. So the Sump Alarm device will let you know if the Sump Alarm device either loses power or internet. So in this case here, the minimum that I would really go with is 30 minutes. And then to the right, you can select if you want to enable the voice and text for the specific alarm. And then beneath it, there's a text box that says, if I do not respond, notify me again after. Now this is going to notify you at these given time intervals if the device is still offline. So in this case, it's going to alert you twice a day, which is every 12 hours, that the device is still offline. And then beneath it, we have the notification preferences for if a high level is occurring. Now, this is a pretty important alarm, so if you do have the text and voice plan, I would recommend enabling it, and then you can select the notifier if you do not respond to the notice or if the alarm is still active. And then on the following page here, you can enter in your contact information. You'll enter in your email address as well as your phone number. Now keep in mind that you can enter in 5 emails, 5 phone numbers for text notifications, and then 5 phone numbers for voice notifications. And once you've entered in the contact information here, the device will be added to your account, and if you went with a paid plan, you will then be prompted to go to the cart and check out. And if you guys have any questions on how to add a device to your account, you can always reach us at customerservice@sumpalarm.com, or you can reach us via phone at 314-787-8059. And we have business hours Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a good day.